The restore management function includes two functions: breakpoint management and power off management. The two restore functions can be used to deal with different processing situations. The breakpoint management function allows the user to temporarily suspend the execution of the processing program and continue from the breakpoint when necessary. The power off management function allows the user to recover from the saved recoverable position and continue after a sudden power off or pressing the emergency stop or reset button during machining. This video mainly explains the breakpoint management and power off management functions in the restore management function. The breakpoint management function allows the user to temporarily suspend the execution of the machining program and continue the program from the breakpoint when necessary. The breakpoint has a power off retention feature, that is, after the breakpoint is saved, the breakpoint restore can still be executed after the system is powered on again. The breakpoint management function mainly includes three processes: 1. Program stop. 2. Save breakpoint. 3. Breakpoint restore. Before saving the breakpoint, you need to stop running the program first. There are two ways to stop the program: single block stop and program breakpoint. 1. Single block stop. Steps: find a sample program, enter the auto mode, press the cycle start button. The program starts to run normally. Enter the position page, press the soft key more operations, BKTP, OPER, press the soft key stop at the position where you need to stop, and the program will stop at the turning point of the program. 2. Program breakpoint. Steps: in edit mode, enter the program page, press the soft key more operations, break, and press the soft key at BK at the location where the breakpoint needs to be added. Switch to auto mode, press the cycle start button, and the program will stop when it runs to the program block with a breakpoint. After the program stops, press the soft key BKT save, and the system will flash BKSave at the right bottom of the screen. The breakpoint save operation will save the current state of the machine tool. Before breakpoint restore, firstly switch to JOG, MPG, home mode, and move the tool up to above the safe height along the tool axis moving direction. Then switch to auto mode, enter the breakpoint management page, and press the soft key restore. The system will automatically start the breakpoint restore process. Users can perform restore step by step or all at once. This process is divided into the following 6 steps. 1. Restore program. Open the program where the breakpoint was saved and jump to the program block number where the breakpoint was saved. 2. Restore modal data, output MST. Restore the G modes when the breakpoint is saved, and output the auxiliary function according to the M or S or T codes when the breakpoint is saved. Whether the T code is output is determined by the parameter MAC at P8000.0. 3. Check axis Z up to safe height. Check whether the tool axis is above the safe height. If it is not, the system will pop up a prompt: please move axis Z to the safe height. 4. Restore axis without Z. Restore the coordinates of other axes to the values when the breakpoint was saved, and the movement rate uses the jog traverse rate. 5. Move axis Z to the reserved height. The reserved height of the tool axis is determined by parameter P8010, and the movement rate is jog traverse rate. 6. Restore axis Z. Move to the coordinate of the tool axis where the tool is located when the breakpoint is saved, and the movement rate uses the jog traverse rate. After the breakpoint is successfully restored, check whether the absolute coordinates and workpiece coordinate system are correct. Check whether the PLC-related status is restored, and when everything returns to normal, press the cycle start button to continue processing from the breakpoint. During the restore process, press the reset key or emergency stop button, or switch the machine tool working mode to cancel the restore operation. It will prompt that BKT restore is cancelled. After the breakpoint is restored, you can perform the breakpoint deletion operation to delete useless breakpoint information. Steps: switch to auto mode, enter position page, press soft BKTP, OPER, delete to delete the saved breakpoint, and the yellow flashing BKPT save in the lower right corner of the system screen will disappear. The power off management function allows the user to restore from the saved recoverable position and continue executing the program after a sudden power off or pressing the emergency stop or reset button during processing. Power off management subscreen. Press soft key power off on position to enter the power off management page. Power off restore steps. 1. During machine tool is running a program when the reset key or emergency stop button is pressed, or the power supply is suddenly cut off. After powering on again, switch to manual mode and move the tool to a safe height in the direction of the tool axis. If the tool has been changed, please set tool offset again. 2. Switch to auto mode, enter position page. Press soft key power off to enter the power off management page. Press soft key open, restore. The system will pop up a prompt dialog box to prompt whether to perform breakpoint restore. Press the address key N to restore step by step, or press the address key R to perform restore all at once, and the saved power off state can be restored to the system. 3. Restoring step by step. Each time one step is completed, the system will prompt you to continue restoring step by step or to restore the remaining steps all at once. When restoring all at once, the system will automatically restore in sequence until the restoration is complete. After the restoration is complete, the system will prompt power off restore OK. 4. After successful restore, check whether the absolute coordinates and workpiece coordinate system are correct. Check whether the PLC-related status is restored, and when everything returns to normal, press the cycle start button to continue processing from the saved power off position. During the restore process, press the reset or emergency stop button, or switch the machine tool working mode to cancel the restore operation. It will prompt that the power off restore is canceled. Precautions. 1. Tool axis must be manually moved to above the safe height before restore. The tool axis can be set through system parameter P8011. Setting it to 1 to 3 means that the tool axis is the first to 3-yard axis respectively. The tool safe height can be set by system parameter P8010 when the position of the tool axis differs from the breakpoint power off position by more than the set value. The system considers that the tool is above the safe height, and the direction from the tool's current position to the safe position is the direction of movement when the tool is restored. 2. If program codes on the breakpoint or power off position use relative command, executing the program will cause an endpoint error. 3. If the breakpoint or power off position uses arc interpolation codes of I or J or K, an error will occur when executing the program block because the starting point of the arc has changed, causing the center of the arc change. Please move to the end point of the previous program block first, and then start machining. 4. If the tool is changed, resetting tool offset, and the workpiece coordinate system setting is changed, the absolute coordinates after power off restore may be different from the saved absolute coordinates at power off, but the machine tool coordinates are the same. 5. If tool breakage occurs, please enter restore step by step. After the first step restore program is completed or the second step of outputting auxiliary codes is completed, press the CAN key to cancel the restore process. Switch to the edit mode, move the program cursor up, and locate the program block before the tool breakage. 6. If the A1 street group G code mode is not G00 or G01 at the power off position, the system will prompt the current A1 street group G code is not G00 or G01. It is recommended to move the program block forward. Press the N key to continue, press the CAN key to continue when restoring modal codes. At this time, it is best to move the cursor forward to the nearest program block containing G00 or G01 instructions. Then manually move the axis to a safe position, and manually restore the spindle, lubricate, etc. 7. The automatic handwheel function can be used during the restore process, and the speed is determined by the JOG rate.